could try and set us up so we could get some of the teachers to come over.
Oh.
Are you recording that?
They've scored already. That's not a good start.
Hello, Canaries! You stand here singing sunshine.
Oh, hold on. They have more than one. They have bigger than say like the two to start with two.
They could start with two, but then they've got nobody to swap in and out with, so they're just going to be swapping in and out with each other. So they could have two on, but they'd have nobody to swap with.
Nobody is allowed to pick it up.
When you get touched, you have to put the ball down on the ground. And you get 6 touches before you have to change possession. It doesn't matter what kind of physique you have either, you can play.
You don't have to be like built up to be able to play it.